Ever asked an AI a simple question and got a confusing answer? Yep, we've all been there. The secret sauce? Crafting the perfect prompt. Welcome to our series, Prompt School, where we turn your words into AI magic. All right, so let's get into some methodology. And today we have the persona pattern. This is where you add context to your query to an AI by suggesting a role which it's going to take on. Accuracy and relevance will be improved with this one. How does it work? Well, I'm glad you asked me that. You're basically going to say to it, act as a persona, whichever one you decide is most relevant to the problem. Your objective is to do something, perform that task. It's as simple as that. When you prompt naturally, you're going to say do something, but this is just adding the extra context. So I have some issues with my printer. I'm going to add a persona on the front of my query. Add as a home printer engineer. Printed pages of blank lines through the text suggest 5 things I can do to diagnose the problem. I'm going to get a sensible list of suggestions. Act as a art historian. Create a list of the 10 most influential works of 20th century art. Suggest a travel itinerary to visit them all. Act as a sous chef. Suggest an easy but tasty brunch omelette recipe. Do you have to prompt exactly like this? No. Do the roles have to make absolute sense? No, not necessarily, but you are adding context and you're getting better results because of it.